sometime with subclass and base class, you you will encounter that you will have same method that is defined in the both subclasses. Um, then to ensure that you have defined in both base class subclasses. I mean, you can use abstract method. This method will be overridden, and you can just define this method in the base class, and then define those um, define this method in the subclasses in detail. For instance, subclass one, I have it squared, and base class subclass two, I have it square rooted, and then pretty much I let it print it out, and this is pretty much the abstract method. There you go. So you have 100 and square root of 20, so 4.5.